Early language and literacy skills have a significant impact on a children's future academic success and social mobility. Unfortunately, according to extensive research, children from families with lower socioeconomic status or non-English speaking households are at higher risk of falling behind in their language development. Imagine being a kid who struggles to understand other peers and communicate their thoughts with the world around them. A kid who feels like they're constantly falling behind in school and missing out opportunities for success. This is the reality for many children from disadvantaged communities. The good news is joint storybook reading is an effective and interactive way for parents to promote children's language and literacy development. Remember when we were children, we all had experience of reading storybooks with our parents. It involves sitting down with a book and engaging in a guided conversation through parents asking questions, pointing out interesting details, and providing feedback. This practice has been proven to be highly effective in helping children develop their language skills, vocabulary, and comprehension abilities. However, not all families have equal access to quality storybooks or the support needed to engage in effective storybook reading. This can be especially challenging for families living in disadvantaged communities where resources may be limited. Furthermore, some parents or caregivers may lack the language skills, time, or inclination to engage in storybook reading with their kids. As a result, children from these households may not receive the same level of language and literacy support as their peers from more advantaged backgrounds. Conversational agents can be fantastic conversational partners for children during storybook reading. They can mimic human conversations and offer extended communication, boosting language exposure and development. However, many voice interface apps for kids lack open-ended dialogue, limiting their potential to support language development. And conversational robots can be expensive and out of reach for many families. A more accessible solution could be ebook apps usable on widely available devices like laptops and iPads. To level the playing field, we designed an ebook app with built-in conversational agents, which is more accessible and personalized for children in need. Welcome to Storio. This ebook reading application stood out with an intelligent conversational partner represented by a cute panda. This application provides parents and children the opportunity to interact with the agent and enhance the reading experience. To get started, parents can log in with their children's reading history, age, and other relevant information to receive personalized storybook recommendations. Once logged in, parents will be directed to the library panel, where they can view the storybooks for their children. To access other features, users can click on the menu button located at the top left corner of the screen. From there, they can access the library panel learning dashboard and settings. During the reading process, the conversational agent will present story-based prompts to guide the reading process. By default, the conversation is audio-based. However, users can switch to text-based conversation to accommodate different learning styles and abilities. At the end of each reading session, parents can track their children's reading analytics. The agent will provide improvement points based on the child input to help enhance their reading experience and learning outcomes. The Storio platform is built with three main parts: front-end, middle-end, and back-end. The front-end uses HTML and CSS files to create web pages, while the middle-end uses Flask and speech-to-text APIs. The backend stores data in a MongoDB dataset and uses the Surprise Python library to recommend storybooks. We also incorporate a conversational agent, the Panda, which is powered by GPT models. However, these models have limitations when used for children. They may have biases because they are trained on a large dataset of texts that are not exclusive to children and lack safety checks. Plus, they can't match the adaptability of a human teacher within a subject domain. To overcome these limitations, we are using a three-step approach that includes a zero-shot learning, few-shot learning, and fine-tuning with educational data. We've also added a safety check function and privacy encoding for student data. In this demo, we created a simple user interface to showcase some potential functionality. The idea is to give an example of how a child can answer content-based questions on the left side for now and negotiate with the agent to better understand the story content and get the right answer. In this demo, the child interacts with the agent through typing, but in the real-world scenario, they could talk to the agent directly, just like they would with a parent. We believe that our solution has the potential to significantly impact the language development of children from disadvantaged backgrounds, ultimately leading to improved academic success and a brighter future for children.